The missing file privileges error on Steam indicates a permission issue preventing the platform from accessing necessary game files. Here's how to fix it. Run Steam as administrator. Close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam shortcut or executable and choose Run as administrator. Try installing or updating the game again. Verify game files. Open Steam and go to your game library. Right-click on the problematic game, select Properties and navigate to the Local Files tab. Click Verify integrity of game files. This action checks for missing or corrupted files and re-downloads them. Adjust security settings. Make sure your antivirus or firewall software isn't blocking Steam or the game files. Temporarily disable or whitelist Steam in your antivirus settings. Change Steam library folder permissions. Navigate to your Steam directory. Right-click on the folder and select Properties. Go to the Security tab, click Edit and ensure your user account has full control over the folder. Reinstall Steam. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling Steam. Back up your games and reinstall Steam to a different directory.